Good morning and welcome to Kawa Ijen. So we've been here since early this morning. So we waited for the sunrise, overlooking the sunrise, and on the other side is already Bali, Indonesia. All right.
Gusto ko doon i-take.
Hi guys, that's Kawa Ijen's crater. Finally, it's clear. So as you can see, ano yung vent ng sulfur. So I thought it's really the big crater, pero there's the vent of the crater. It's really good. Nice, finally. Look at guys, so many people here. Oh, there's a crater lake. Hi guys, so we're here na. Nakatuwa naman kami. We were able to see the crater lake. By the way, I'm wearing a new jacket. It's Eiger. It's an Indonesian brand. It's really nice. So if you happen to be here in Indonesia, buy them. That's really nice. Actually, yung damit ko is women's edition. I still bought it because I like the design and the color. It's really comfortable. So ayan siya. And here's our local guide.
Hello.
This is Daddy, right?
Daddy,
He's our local guide. Yeah. Yon. So how long have you been doing this guide job?
Around 7 years.
7 years. Oh wow. And they said earlier that there are times that they will be here for at least twice a day.
Yeah.
Right. There's R. Alright. R, of course, likes to take pictures. Alright.
Dito. R, picture tayong lahat. Balik ka dito. Hero, tayo kayo. Ang ganda. Go.
Ano?
What do you call this? Ijen Mountain?
Kawa Ijen. Kawa Ijen.
Kawa is mean crater.
Crater.
Our Kawa in the Philippines, Kawa is
Say hi, EJ.
cooking big cooking
It's cake? It's like cake?
no
It's like
For
walk,
cooking.
you know, walk.
Oh, yeah.
we call that kawa
Yeah,
maybe because it's
yeah.
like that.
It's like kawa. Ini terlalu ngumpul nih. Pak Bayu juga sana, Pak Bayu.
On yan. Hindi ba dapat ang nag-picture? Dito. Saan nag-picture ng ano sa kasama?
here. Take a picture. Okay. I think I pulled down.